Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get a tone of voice of an article and get the target audience for your perfect article. Stay tuned. So let's jump straight into it. So today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to actually get the perfect tone of voice for your future article and get the target audience if you can't really come up with one. So the first thing is you gotta download a plugin called SEO Extractor, and then when you're done you gotta search for your keyword, the topic that you want to write an article about. And unfortunately it won't show on the video because I'm using window recording, but if you click on the icon SEO Extractor, it will show you kind of a button that says content try to clean. Now once you click on that, it will show you kind of a little bit of window which has the content of the website or the page, sorry. So what you need to do is actually ads are slowing this down so much. Is try to sorry about that, try to copy and paste your competitor's article, especially if your computer doesn't freeze because all of the ads, and click Control C, of course, and go to ChatGPT and type in analyze and give me the tone of voice of this article. It's just that simple. Paste in the article, and of course you can paste in any article that you want or for your topic. I usually try to choose the top 1 or the top 2, whatever works, you know, whatever I like the best, and will give you the tone of voice of the article. Okay, it was too big, too long, sorry. So let's edit a little bit out of it. Maybe don't need this actual recipe. Let's see. Okay, so it will give you a tone of voice that will be very, very helpful when you're writing an article, for example, on how to bake a muffin or the perfect guide on making a muffin. So you don't have to necessarily use this, but it's absolutely good when you're trying to create a custom article or kind of like a structure for an article, because it will be much more unique if you use this, but I'll show that in the next video. So the tone of voice of this article is friendly and helpful. The writer seems to be enthusiastic and passionate about muffin making and wants to share the knowledge with the reader. They acknowledge common problems and offer solutions while also providing detailed step-by-step instruction tips, blah 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 blah. Now just imagine how much more information can you give to ChatGPT just by using this, rather than just typing in, for example, when you're creating a structure, to create a structure on this keyword, and then it will use the tokens or the data that it has, and it might not know a lot about like what is the perfect tone of voice for an article that talks about how to make a muffin. So we can also kind of analyze the target audience of this article. It is not only important for creating the article, but actually understanding or just researching and understanding your target audience, especially if you're in a new niche, and it just gives you such a good thinking material, so to say, that can help you in crafting marketing material, and just maybe how to write a content so it resonates with your target audience. So in this case, the target audience is likely home bakers who are interested in making homemade muffins but have struggled with the process in the past. Now this is one custom way of writing kind of an article aimed at people who have struggled with baking a muffin, because probably if you're searching for how to bake or how to make the perfect muffin, you could have tried it before and it didn't work. The article assumes some basic knowledge of baking. Yep. The inclusion of troubleshooting tips and FAQ suggests the target audience may have previous difficulties with baking. So you can take this and paste in several articles, one by one into different windows to see and see the results, which one is better. Usually it works for me in the first try, and it did right now as well. And that's pretty much it, as usual. As I will add these prompts, I mean it's not too long, but I'll add these prompts in the description, in the comments. And if you would like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.